So today's word is barrier. Barrier can be used as a noun, and I hope you already know what a noun is. So let us see what is the meaning of barrier. Anything that anything built or serving to bar the passage, such as a fence, a railing, or something like that. So when we are talking about barrier, we are talking about something that is being built to serve as an obstruction or serve as a bar for the passage. Okay, where such as railing or such as a bar or such as a fence. So let us see this example. People may pass through the barrier only when their passport and ticket has been checked. So here we are talking about the airport security. That is the first entrance. So only those people will pass through that particular first barrier, those who can produce or those who can show their passport and tickets. So that first entrance is serving as a barrier where a police personnel or CISF personnel is checking their passport and ticket. Those who have it, they can pass the barrier, and those who doesn't have it, they are not allowed to enter the airport. Okay, next, any natural bar or obstacle. We can also use barrier when we are talking about something that is natural, that serve as a natural bar or serve as a natural obstruction or obstacle, such as mountains. So the mountain serve as a barrier. This is the country and this is another country. Okay, let me just draw it here. So suppose this is a country and this is another country. So here in between these two countries there are mountains. Okay, so mountains are serving as a boundary or as a barrier in between these two countries, so no people can come here and go there. These are suppose these are Mount Everest. Okay, see that these are Mount Everest, so nobody can just climb up there and come to the other country. So this particular mountain is serving as a barrier. Okay, next, is a limit or boundary of any kind, such as the barrier of caste. Let me give you an interesting example so you will feel or you can understand it better. Suppose there's a boy and there's a girl and they want to marry, but the girl's father doesn't want it to happen, and he said, until I am alive, you are not going to marry that particular boy. So in that case, that girl's father is serving as or is acting as a barrier. It's acting as a barrier between these two persons, that is the boy and the girl. They want to marry each other, but the father doesn't want it to happen, so the father acts as a barrier. Okay, next, anything that restrains or obstructs progress, access, etc., such as a trade barrier or a language barrier. Let me give you an example here. You can see, despite the language barrier, that means there are two people and they are from different countries and they are not having particular medium, such as they don't know a single language. They suppose someone is from Germany and someone is from France. So from the German the person who is from Germany knows German, and the person who is from France, he knows French. So there is a language barrier. That means they are not on a same platform. They doesn't know a single language. They know different languages. Okay, so here we can say there is a language barrier. Let us continue further with the example. Despite the language barrier, they soon become friends. Even though the French and the German doesn't know the languages of each other, they still become good friends. Even though there is a language barrier, there is a language barrier, they become friends. Okay. Now let us continue. Let us continue with some synonyms. They are barricade, blockade, boundary, fence, hurdle, impediment, limit, obstacle, railing, roadblock, and wall. These are some of the synonyms, and let us see some of the antonyms also. They are assistance, help, opening, open. So this is the word barrier, and I would like you to write a sentence using the word barrier, and post it in the comments below. Okay, thank you.